Good morning, everyone. I'm Aaron Sebastian, and today I'll be explaining the looping statements in C. As you see in the screen, you can see the program, right? In this program, demonstrate how to use different loop structures for and by to perform two common mathematical calculations based on positive integers entered by the user. First is calculating the factorials of a number using for loop. Second is calculating the sum of all natural numbers up to that number using a while loop. The core functionality, the factorial calculation using for loop. The program first prompts the user to enter a positive integer which is stored in the variable n. Initialization. The variable that is factorial is initialized to 1. Uh, the loop. The for loop runs from I equal to 1 to n. And here, see this one. In each iteration, the current value of factorial is multiplied by the loop counter I, and the result will be the process calculated. That process calculates the n factorial. That would be 1 into 2 into 3 into up to n. The result is stored in long data type to handle a potentially large factorial value. The sum of natural numbers using while loop was found can be you it can be found by initialization. The variable of sum is initialized to 0. That variable sum, which is an integer, is 0, and the loop counter I is reset to 1 outside the loop. That is when I is equal to 1. The while loop continues as long as I is less than or equal to n. Uh, Here, this one. Okay. In each iteration, the current value of I is added to the sum. The loop counter I then manually increases I is equal to I plus plus, that is I equal to I plus 1. The final value of the variable sum holds the result of the uh, all result of the sum. Result of sum. The key variables are n stores the positive integer input from the user. I used as a loop counter for both for and while loop. Factorial stores the product of factorial calculation using long to accommodate very large numbers. Sum stores total sum calculation using data type input or output would be printed shall be done by printf, used for promoting the user and display the two calculated result, clearly labeling which calculation used for the used the for loop and which calculation used the while loop. Thank you for watching and have a great day.